The sum of the first 6 terms of an AP is 72, and the second term is 7 times the 5th term. Find the first term and the common difference. Find also the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. Take down solution. This is a question on sequences and series. From the question, we have been told that the sum of the first 6 terms of an AP is 72. S6 is equal to 72. That means the sum of the first 6 terms. We know the sum of the terms of an AP is given by Sn equal to n divided by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, where n stands for the number of terms, a stands for the first term, and d stands for the common difference. Applying this formula here in S6 equal to 72, this will give us S6 to be equal to n is 6, 6 divided by 2 gives us 3 times 2a, we don't know the first term, plus 6 minus 1 gives us 5, 5 times d gives us 5d, we don't know the common difference. And this will simply be, this is equal to 72. This will simply imply that 2a plus 5d is equal to 72 divided by 3. If we divide 72 by 3, divide both sides by 3, this will give us 2a plus 5d equal to 72 divided by 3. 72 divided by 3 gives us 24. Then 2a plus 5d is equal to 24. We call this one equation 1. The question goes further to tell us that the second term is 7 times the 5th term. The second term is 7 times the 5th term. We know the terms of an AP, they are given by Cn, which is equal to A for the first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference. The second term, our second term will simply be T2, which is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 gives us 1 times D. This is for the second term. And the 5th term, which is T5, will simply be equal to A plus 5 minus 1 gives 4. 4 times D gives us 4D. We have been told that the second term is 7 times the 5th term. It simply means T2 is equal to 7 times T5. This will imply that our T2 is A plus D is equal to 7 times A plus 4D for T5. Then this will give us A plus D to be equal to 7 times A gives us 7A plus 7 times 4D gives us 28D. Next, we are going to transfer the terms to the left hand side. This will give us A minus 7A plus D minus 28D is equal to 0. Then A minus 7A gives us negative 6A. D minus 28D gives us negative 27D is equal to 0. Next step, we are going to divide all through by negative 3. Dividing all through by negative 3, this will give us Negative 6a divided by negative 3 becomes positive 2a. Negative 27d divided by negative 3 gives us positive 9d is equal to 0. We call this equation 2. We have two equations in terms of a and d. We have two simultaneous linear equations in terms of a and d, of which we can solve for a and d by making use of the method of elimination. The reason why we are making use of the method of elimination is simply because the coefficient of a in equation 1 is the same as the coefficient of a in equation 2. So if you subtract the two equations, a will be eliminated. Let's write down the first equation. 2a plus 5d is equal to 24. For the second equation, we have 2a plus 9d is equal to 0. We are going to subtract the two equations. 2a minus 2a gives us 0. 5d minus 9d gives us negative 4d is equal to 24 minus 0, which is 24. For us to get the value of d, we are going to divide all through by negative 4. Negative 4d divided by negative 4 is equal to 24 divided by negative 4. This will give us d to be equal to 24 divided by negative 4 gives us negative 6. This is the value of d. Knowing the value of d, we can find the value of a. If we make use of using any of the equations, let's make use of equation 2. In equation 2, if we make a the subject of formula, 2a will be equal to negative 9d. And a will simply be equal to negative 9d divided by 2. This will give us a to be equal to negative 9 times d, which is negative 6. Then we divide by 2. Negative 9 times negative 6 gives us positive 54. We divide positive 54 by 2. It gives us 27. This is the value of a. Knowing the values of a and d, that is the first term and the common difference, we can find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. Let's conclude. The first term is 27 and the common difference is negative 6. Now we can find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. The sum of the terms of an AP Sn is given by n divided by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times the common difference. We have to find the sum of the first 10 terms, so n is equal to 10. Our first term a is equal to 27 and the common difference d is equal to negative 6. We are going to insert them in the above formula. This will give us S10 to be equal to 10 all over 2 times 2 times 27 plus 10 minus 1 times negative 6. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5 times 2 times 27 gives us 54 plus 10 minus 1 gives us 9 times negative 6. This will simply be equal to 5 times 54 plus 9 times negative 6 gives us negative 54. This will simply be equal to 5 times 54 Positive, negative still is minus 54, which is simply equal to 5 times 0. And 5 times 0 is simply equal to 0. Then we conclude, therefore, the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP is 0. We are done with the question. If in case you have any worries, you feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.